Today we will discuss exercise 2.4, question number 5. The polynomial is given as it is divided by another quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x plus k and remainder in the form of x plus a. So we have to find out k and a here. So first, by long division method we will divide that. So here x square, so first term this x4 and this x square we will divide to know which things we have to multiply here. So that is x square. So we will divide by, means we will multiply x square. Okay. So what we will get, x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square. Just subtract it. So after subtracting, this will cancel out and we will get minus 4x cube plus, and always remember, means whatever we will write, if it is having the two terms, then positive one we will write first and negative one we will write second. Okay. So 16 minus k, you can take common x square here. So that is the left one. Now the first term is now here minus 4x cube, is it? So that we will divide by x square. So what we will get, minus 4x. So second we will multiply 4x minus 4x. So when we multiply minus 4x, the rest thing we can write here. Okay. So minus 4x cube minus minus plus, this one will multiply with minus 2x. So plus 8x square and then minus 4kx. Just subtract that. This is plus sign. This will cancel out. So 16 and this is minus and this is plus. So 16 minus 8. So what we will left here, 8 and minus k will be remain same. Is it clear? Because they are like terms. So 16 minus 8, 8 plus 8. So plus 8 minus k. Left there x square, and which one we will write first? Positive one. Always remember. So here 4k minus 25x plus 10. Okay. Now this is the first term, 8 minus k x square, and that we will multiply with the first term x square. So what we will get left, 8 minus k. So we will multiply with 8 minus k. Yeah. So 8 minus k, if we multiply this 8 minus k x square, then 8 into minus 2, that is minus 16, and 8 into minus k into minus 2x, that is plus 2kx. So first we will write the positive one, plus 2k. Okay. This 8 minus k when you multiply with minus 2x. Okay. So what we will get left, means as a product, that is minus 16x. This is minus. Okay. And minus minus plus 2kx. So I told you that always try to write the positive one first. So we can write in this way also. So that's I am writing. So both having the x, so we can take common, and then this 8k will multiply with k plus 8 minus k into k. Okay, beta? So just subtract that. So after subtracting, it will cancel out. So what we will get left there, 2k, because 2k minus 4k minus 2k, that is 2k plus 2k. Okay. And this is minus 25 and this is plus 16. So minus 25 and plus 16. So what we will get left, means minus 9. So minus 9. Okay. into x. Then 10, now this 10, the minus 8k, and minus minus plus k square. So these things as a constant term we will get as a remainder. But according to the question, the remainder should be x plus a. But here we are getting 2k minus 9 into x plus 10 minus 8k plus k square, isn't? So we can compare them. The x coefficient here, according to that, 1, and here we are getting 2k minus 1. So obviously 2k minus 1 should be equals to 1. So by comparing, k minus 9 equals to 1, getting, because this is 1 into x. So 2k will be 1 plus 9, and that is 10. So k will be 10 minus 2, and that is 5. Okay, now we will put the value of k here. So that is 10 minus 8k plus k square, and that should be, this is the constant term, and here according to the question, constant term is a, equals to a. So 10 minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square, that is 25, equals to a. So 10 minus 40 plus 25 equals to a. So positive numbers we can add, that is 35 minus 40 equals to a. So that is minus 5 equals to a. So a equals to minus 5 and k equals to 5. These are the answers. Clear?